these struts came from Autosaver 88. They produce a lot of suspension parts, miscellaneous parts, LED fog lights and everything. So let's open this up and see what we got. So in the box, we obviously have our strut, and it's in a plastic bag, which is good to see. Pull this out. They provide foam so it doesn't get damaged in shipping. And I'm going to start with the left-hand side. Yeah, if you see right here, this is everything you need. It's also labeled here. This says A004L for the left side, which is the driver's side. So you got markings so you don't get confused on which is which and accidentally mess something up. You got your Loctite on your top nut, and you got your locking, bolts for the top. So yeah, this looks real good. And let's start popping it on and see how she fits. But I'll show you. All right, move this to the side, get it out of the way. Pop that out. I like to put my bolt right back in. Now, here's the thing, is there's two different ways to do this. You can grab like I did in the back, but if it's continued to spin, there is an Allen right there in the middle. So the best way to do it is to put your Allen key in and then use a wrench to loosen this bolt up. Brake line is a 12 millimeter. So remove that. And then right below it, we have your ABS, which is a 10 millimeter bolt. And then that will free up this, so you can get to the next few. So I'm gonna hold this right here. There's one. So we're good. Kind of put your nut back on at least a few turns so that you can get a hammer and tap them out. Just break them free, because this is where a lot of rust will build up down here. Be careful of your brake line. There's one. Okay. So then you can twist this off, both nuts, and you can use your punch to finish the job. You can use a car jack, I don't know if you can see right here, and just prop this up on the brake rotor. And you can bend this back, so that should be enough. You're gonna have a 12 millimeter bolt right here that you're gonna need to remove. Now once you got that 12 millimeter bolt out that is down here, what you're going to do is just want to lift straight up, and you can see the hardware on it is just a hook. So if you go straight up, it unlocks, and then pull it out. You got these top mounting bolts, and it really does help if you get a ratcheting 12 millimeter. These are 12 millimeter for me. I think it's the same on the new Struts. And I'll probably speed this up so you don't have to watch me fumble around with tools. And make sure you're smashing it up against the side, because you know it says that in the manual. It's just kind of pivoted down and out. And then here we have the new and then the old, and we're gonna go pop the new Auto Saver 88 in there. It's looking really good. Okay. Stabilizer link, it's a little high, so you want to lower this down. All right, everything is installed. Mad props to Auto Saver 88. Everything looks good. The car has a really good stance. Well, it's hard to see in this thing, but yeah, I'm happy. Looks great.